In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy multiple text boxes in Microsoft Word. If your Word document contains several text boxes, and you need to create an identical copy of them, you don't have to copy each text box one at a time. Microsoft Word allows you to select multiple text boxes together, copy them, and paste them wherever you need them. First, open the Microsoft Word document that contains the text boxes you want to copy. Make sure the text boxes are visible on the page so you can easily select them. Start by clicking the first text box that you want to copy. Once it is selected, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While continuing to hold the Control key, click each additional text box that you want to include in the copy. As you click each text box, it will be added to your selection. Take your time and make sure every text box you want to duplicate is selected before continuing. This method is useful when the text boxes are located in different areas of the document. Once you have selected all the text boxes, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy them. Then, click the location where you want the copies to appear, and press Ctrl and V to paste them. The copied text boxes should now appear in the document. You can move the copied text boxes to their desired positions while keeping the original text boxes in place. If you plan to move or copy the same group of text boxes together more than once, you can group them first. With the multiple text boxes selected, go to the Shape Format tab, look for the Group option, and then select Group again. Word will now treat the selected text boxes as a single object. After grouping them, you can press Ctrl and C to copy the entire group, then press Ctrl and V to create another copy. This can make it easier to move and duplicate several text boxes while keeping them together. If you are having trouble selecting multiple text boxes, check their text wrapping settings. Text boxes set to inline with text may not be as easy to select independently. Changing the wrapping option to something such as square, tight, or in front of text can make the text boxes easier to select. And that's how you can copy multiple text boxes in Microsoft Word. Using multiple selection or grouping can save time when you're working with documents that contain several text boxes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,